Have you ever felt like your appearance could use a little boost, but you're not sure where to start? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving into small but powerful changes that can completely redefine how you look and feel. Let's dive in. First up, your hair. A haircut isn't just about length, it's about identity. Switching from long waves to a sleek bob or adding bangs can frame your face in ways you never imagined. Want something even bolder? Try an asymmetrical cut or layers for texture. Let's talk color. Your hair shade can change your entire vibe. Go for rich auburn tones for warmth, platinum blonde for boldness, or pastel pink for something whimsical. If you're unsure, try subtle highlights or balayage for a softer transformation. Eyewear is another game changer. Switching to bold, statement frames, or minimalist designs can redefine your look instantly. Feeling adventurous? Try tinted lenses in colors like blue or pink. They're trendy and functional. Never underestimate the power of your eyebrows. A thicker, well-shaped brow can enhance your facial structure dramatically. Whether you try microblading, tinting, or just learn to shape them yourself, bold brows can redefine your features in the most flattering way. A simple piercing can be a daring yet subtle upgrade. A nose stud, a helix piercing, or even stacking earrings can add personality and edge. Pair it with unique jewelry, and you've got a look that's entirely your own. Makeup isn't about hiding, it's about expressing. A bold red lip, graphic eyeliner, or even glitter can be transformative. Don't be afraid to experiment. Makeup washes off, but confidence sticks around. Sometimes all you need is a few statement pieces to breathe new life into your wardrobe. Here are some must-haves that can instantly elevate your style. Classic oversized blazer. Versatile boots. A statement coat. Wide leg pants. Layering basics for every season. Bold accessories. Here's the thing, small changes can spark massive transformations. Whether it's trying a bold new hairstyle, adding statement pieces to your wardrobe, or embracing vibrant colors, you have the power to redefine your look. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.